Hey there. Everything bagels are awesome because of their topping. It's one of the most popular bagel toppings you'll find. The problem is all your toppings are on the outside. We want them on the inside as well. So what we're going to do is make our own bagel topping here. It's pretty easy. Consists of 1/4 cup of poppy seeds, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of, I'm using granulated garlic. You can use larger chunks of garlic, flake garlic, even garlic powder. Whatever you have is fine. And 3 tablespoons of onion flakes, dried onion flakes. And this is 1.5 tablespoons of salt. This is a larger granule sea salt. You can use flake salt or whatever size pieces you like best. If you don't want salt, don't like salt, just leave it out. Any ingredients that you like, you can add extra, or if you don't like them, leave them out. Just give it a nice mix. Once you got it mixed up, just pour it into a shaker container of some type. And once your bagel is ready and you've got it cream cheese on there, just give it the old sprinkling of your favorite new everything topping here. Put on as little or as much as you like. Make it your own. There's no wrong way to do it. The best thing about making your own bagel topping is you can customize it to however you like it best. You can add some chili flake if you want a little hotter. You can add extra salt. You can do anything you want to with it. And it's not just good on bagels. This seasoning is great on salads, soups, stews, sandwiches. It's good on beef, chicken, pork, fish. It's good on cottage cheese. And it's just about good on everything. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll like it. See you next time on Cook and Gobble Videos.